Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, kind of a brisk start to the day, but things shaping up to be fairly mild for a spring afternoon.
Yeah, Joe, we had a cold front that went through overnight, and we got the winds from a northwesterly north direction at 5 miles per hour. Skies are clear, and temperatures are chilly. We've got 35 in McCook, 34 in Oberlin, 37 here in Atwood, 31 in Goodland, so it did dip below freezing out there in Goodland, 35 Burlington, and 37 in Ray. And it's going to continue to be kind of cool today for this time of year. We're going to see temperatures in that 60 to 65 degree range here this afternoon. Those north winds at 5 miles per hour will pick up a little bit this afternoon at 15 miles per hour and turn to a southeasterly direction. Overnight and tomorrow, we'll see a warm up. Overnight lows tonight will be in the middle 40s, and tomorrow afternoon highs will be in that 70 to 75 degree range. Those south winds will be blowing about 10, 15 miles per hour. And then we've got a system that'll be going through Oklahoma and towards Kansas City that could bring some scattered showers, isolated thunderstorm to the area tomorrow afternoon. Expecting most of the precipitation to stay south and east of the area, but we could see a little bit. And then tomorrow night's low will be around 42. And then on Thursday, we could have clouds in the morning, clearing in the afternoon. It'll be a little bit cooler up there in the upper 60s, overnight lows in the 40s with a north wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then we'll have high pressure move overhead for Friday and Saturday. That'll push temperatures back up into the lower to mid 70s, overnight lows in that 40 to 45 degree range. Both those days will be really nice for this time of year, not expecting a lot of wind. And then we'll be looking at a developing trough out west on Sunday. That'll move through here late Sunday into Monday, and that could bring some significant precipitation if it moves through slower and sends out a series of cutoff lows or lows as we go through the work week. Right now, computer models are suggesting that from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, with shower and thunderstorm chances just about each day, we could pick up a half inch to an inch of half of moisture. And longer range through next week and next weekend, we could see another 1-3 inches of rain, and even some locations seeing 3 to 5 inches during that first couple weeks of May. So that is something that we need to keep an eye on. We know we're dry, we need the moisture, and that would be definitely timely to get the corn planted and continue greening up the pastures and getting wheat progressing to a better shape than it is. It's not in such great shape in some locations. As far as temperatures go, it looks like we're going to see seasonal temperatures in the 70s, maybe even 60s, slightly below normal and behind frontal boundaries. And overnight low temperatures will be in that 40 to 45 degree range, all pleasant temperatures for this time of year.
Once again, that's ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.